Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your PlayStation 4. While this popular game is primarily designed for mobile phones and tablets, there isn't a direct console version. But don't worry, we'll explore the only available methods to bring the fast-paced action to your big screen. These approaches involve clever workarounds, allowing you to stream your mobile gameplay to your PlayStation 4 for a different experience. Let's dive into the details. One common method involves using your mobile device's screen mirroring capabilities. You can cast your phone or tablet's display directly to a compatible smart television. Then, simply connect your PlayStation 4 to that same television. Another option is to utilize the official PlayStation Remote Play application on your mobile device, streaming your phone's screen to the console. Remember, a robust and consistent Wi-Fi connection is crucial for a smooth experience with this approach. For a potentially more optimized experience, consider using an Android emulator on a personal computer. First, install a reputable emulator like BlueStacks on your desktop or laptop. Next, download and launch Brawl Stars directly within this virtual Android system. Finally, employ the PlayStation Remote Play application on your computer to stream the emulator's display to your PlayStation 4. This method often provides better performance, especially if your computer is powerful, compared to mirroring from a phone. It's important to manage expectations when using these indirect methods. You might encounter some input lag, which can affect your gameplay, and the visual quality may not be as sharp as a native console game. While Brawl Stars doesn't natively support controllers, you can often connect a PlayStation 4 controller to your mobile device via Bluetooth for improved control. Always remember to be cautious and aware of any terms of service when exploring unofficial workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.